Okay, number. Where's the number? So the 3.
This boat.
Okay, 3 boat. Okay. And how about here? Where's the 3?
There.
Okay. Mm.
Where's 2?
Where's number 5? Where's the 5? 5. This one, the 5.
This.
Where's the 5? You count.
What is? Okay, 4.
O, 4 muna. Sige.
This.
You count. You count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Mm.
6.
Wow ko. Ulitin mo nga. O, ito. You count this one.
1, 2, 3,
4. O, where's the number 4?
this.
Okay. Very good ang kuya.
Where's number 4?
Kuya Ethan.
Wait.
How about here? Where's the number 4? You count. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This dot.
This one, you count this. How many? How many eggplant?
2, 3, 4.
Oh, that's the number 4. Okay. How about number 5?
This.
Where's number 5? No, you need to muna count. Where's the 5? That's not 5. Ay? Ano ba yan? You count first. How many this one?
1.
This one. Count. Ito naman si Johan. Yung paa naman.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, 6. Where's the 6?
No.
Where's the 6?
This is a 5.
No, the 6.
5.
Oh, this one you count. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, that's the 5. Very good.
It's 5.
Oh, how many this one? Fish.
2.
Oh, 2.
1.
Ang kulit naman ni Johan. Sipa na sipa.
Mommy, 1,
Oh, sige na.
2.
Okay. Ang kulit ni Johan. Sipa. Sinisipa ako.
Mommy, sister, where's Anna?
How about the cake? How many?
1, 2.
Oh. Okay.
There is
How about this one? How many the lollipop?
4.
No, you count first. That's not 4. Count. Count. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Ano ba yan? Tinatamad na naman ito.
Ito 6.
Oh, 6. You count how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6.
7.
Oh, that's not 7. Ulitin mo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, 6. Where's the number 6?
This.
Oh.
What?
Oh, how about this one? Yan na lang yung wala. Ito, this one. The candy, how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Eh? Nauulit mo kasi yung pag-count mo. Nag-start ka doon, tapos pupunta sa taas. Ulitin mo.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5. Oh. Where's the number 5?
no more.
Where's the number 5?
This.
Oh. Alam niyo na yung mga number. Okay. Oh. Ito na lang yung wala. Ito. How many carrots?
1, 2, 3.
Aray ko.
Oy!
Ang kulit ni Johan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
How many?
6.
Oh, 6. Where's the number 6? Oh, yan. Sige na. Ano ba naman paghawak ng pen yan? Okay, very good. You know the letters, the numbers na.
Again. Oh, wag kilig ka lang!